This video will show you how to replace the map sensor on a Mazda 3. This will be located along the driver's side front of your engine. Let's get into it. Okay friend, let's get started on our job. Locate your map sensor as you make your way down along the front driver's side of the engine. That's where it's going to be located on your plastic intake. Looking down in this area, we can see the map sensor and we can see our electrical connector. We're going to start with the electrical connector. Now this does have a locking tab. Squeeze it in and pull this down and out of place. Once you have it disconnected, a quick inspection for corrosion. If you see any, it will need to be taken care of. That connector looks fine, so let's continue on with our T20 Torx mounting bolt. We'll be extremely careful not to drop our mounting bolt. A thorough inspection of all hardware as we continue on. This looks fine, so we'll set it aside. Take hold of the map sensor and dislodge it from your plastic intake. There it is, friend. Now, prior to installation of any part, let's go ahead and make sure we clean up the mounting surface. I'm just using a clean rag. We're not using any type of detergent. After a quick wipe and a close inspection, we can prepare for our installation. Now it's time to install the map sensor. We'll carefully get this in position in the plastic intake. Align the mounting bolt port, and then we'll start in that mounting bolt and snug it up. Now I have it bottomed out. I'm just going to make sure it's snug using my ratchet. Reconnect the electrical connector. Press it in, listen for a click, and we'll just give that a tug, confirming it's properly secured in place. Okay friend, we finished the installation of our map sensor on the vehicle. The next thing that you need to do is hop in the passenger compartment. You're going to start up the vehicle and let it run. Make sure you have no running condition, no check engine light, close the hood, and then take your vehicle for a road test. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.